I'm Tracy Owen. I want to introduce you today to this new set of fine finishing tools I've designed with Henry Taylor's. There's two sizes, 3/4 round bar and a 5/8 round bar. In each set there's a left hand grind, a right hand grind and a round nose section, and also in the 5/8 there's an additional square end section that will be good for getting into the bottoms of boxes. I'm going to show you these in use on the bowl form and this hollow form. The first thing that will be needed with these fine finishing tools would be to create a burr on the edge that's going to do the cutting for you. My preference would be to use a dried stone grinder. I'm using them straight from the grinder, leaving the burr on. Alternatively, you could use a slipstone or a diamond file to put on the burr in the same manner. This is the three large finishing tools: the left hand grind, the right hand grind and the round nose. These three tools could be used to finish this form. The left hand grind would go from the largest diameter to the left, the right hand would go from the largest diameter to the right, and the round nose could be used in the curve of the neck. This is a large 3/4 section finishing tool. I'm going to just show you this in use around this form. So start at the largest diameter of the wood and work to the left. Find the tool at about 45 degrees to the wood and just gently following the shape. The round section of the tool will allow me to roll the tool on the tool rest, pick up the best cut just like that, and then again follow the shape and a nice shaving off. The tool's been ground, leaving the burr on straight from the grindstone, and it's that burr that's doing the cutting. Once again there, look, nice shaving off with ease control, which is all down to the round section of the tool. I've now swapped to the right hand ground finishing tool. This is the large 3/4 section. Starting at the largest of the diameter of the wood there now, making contact at about 45 degrees, and once again just following the shape. This, like the other one, has been left with the burr on straight from the grindstone, and it's that burr that's making very gentle contact and giving us a nice finish. The round section of the tool can roll easy on the tool rest for good control. I'm then going to use the round section tool. This is made from the same 3/4 round bar, and the curve section will allow me into this curve part of the hollow form. Once again, it's going to be applied at about 45 degrees to the wood, and then gently follow the curve of the hollow vessel. As you can see, wonderful shaving coming off from this fine finishing tool. The round section allows me to alter the angle if need be with ease. I'm going to use the smaller of the section tools, which is 5/8, and the round nose one to do the rim of this bowl and part of the inside. So like all the other times, about 45 degrees, and just gently follow the shape. All the time looking for a nice shaving coming off. Just a couple of passes on that one should do the job. The same small round nose one on the inside of the bowl now, and as you can see there, the angle of that, just going to go in at about the same 45 degrees, and then if you need to, I can change and roll that slightly just to get that real nice shaving off. This cut will be made from working from the rim inwards. That action all the time, looking at the shaving to see if that's doing the job of a finer finish. Just like to recap one or two things about these tools. Firstly, they're a fine finishing tool and not a tool for taking off quantity. Again, and just demonstrate that once more. It's applied to the wood, a gentle angle there, and the round section allows the tool to be rolled, pick up the cut, get the tool working at its best. Just going over the fact it is for a fine finish and not for taking off lots of wood, and therefore we can get a better finish that will require less sanding.